what burns more calories, working out or detailing? Let's get right into it. We have Christian and we have Joey. You guys have your fit trackers, right?
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna be having 15 minutes on the clock. So you're gonna have 15 minutes to wash your car. You're gonna be going 15 minutes through a mild HIIT training, all right? So let's start the time. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Now. All right, go. All right, so to kick it off, Joey's gonna be detailing and we're gonna be having some HIIT training. So right here we have 2 buckets that are full of water. They're 4.25 gallon buckets, which weigh 35 pounds. We have gallons that are actually 8 pounds. So to start off with, Claudio, you're gonna be doing shoulder like this, all right? 1, 2. Woohoo!
All right, I'm ready.
How's it going, Joey?
It's going great. This is gonna be my first workout right here. Thrust.
Joey's thrusting the wheel.
Ah!
10? All right, now you're gonna drop it. You're gonna put them down. Now with this, you're gonna be going lunges. 10 on each leg.
Can I alternate legs?
If you want.
Okay.
1, 2. So this relates to detailing because obviously whenever you have to get into the nooks and crannies like down below, how Joey's doing it, you're technically kind of lunging or kneeling down, so that's where you get quad muscles. See that? Look at that form.
How's it going, Tito?
I'm feeling the burn.
One wheel done.
All right. So now you're gonna grab these, 35 pounds, and you're gonna shoulder shrug. Okay? So the shoulder shrug happens whenever you have a long pressure washer on. You have to be holding it up high. So this is why I always recommend having the snubby, so it can be a lot easier to get into all the hard to reach areas. Shrug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's always behind the camera. Now he's in front of the camera, so this is so awesome. Let's check up on Joey. Joey's still cleaning wheels.
Woo! I'm going fast. I feel like Sonic the Hedgehog right now. Tito! Look at this scrub.
No, don't. All right, next up, we're going back to shoulders.
Okay.
So grab these, and you're going back to shoulders. Okay? 10. 1, 2. Not so high, just right here.
Ooh!
Oh!
What's up? What's up, bro? You slacking? Oh, I shouldn't have done that.
And by the way, we did this on purpose. They're actually dressed alike. Black shirt, green pants, green pants.
All right, that was 10, coach.
All right,
What's up?
next up, you're gonna grab the 35 pounds, and now you're gonna do lunges again.
25.
I'm at 30 calories, baby. What's up?
Sounds like I gotta move faster then.
Lunges.
Think of the super speed.
10?
Yes.
Whoa! Hold down, partner. Hey, bro, you're leaning. You're like the Leaning Tower of Pisa over there.
How's it going, Claudio?
Dude, I'm tired.
Hey, are you hurting too?
My heart's hurting. It's beating.
So here's always the misunderstanding that a lot of people get. They always think detailing is hard, but if you actually think about it, working out is even harder. Detailing is not a chore. A lot of people don't like to work out. Obviously it is a lifestyle, but for the most part, detailing is fun. You have a foam party, you have buckets, you have brushes, all these other things.
I'm double fisting it.
You could also be like Claudio. All right, next up, Claudio, ready? Now we're gonna be doing curls. So you'll be grabbing the 35 pounders and just one by one. Up, 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 okay? Let's go. Other way. Yeah, you're good. Okay. Keep this elbow straight and then go up. Yeah, down. You good?
Yes, sir.
I'm washing the car now, baby.
I'll block the water so you won't get hit. So right now, obviously, Joey's holding up the wand, so that's when, obviously, you have a pressure washer and your shoulders might be hurting, maybe because it might be heavy. So by doing shoulder shrugs or doing shoulders, it'll be a lot easier. We're actually gonna find out what burns more calories. I don't wanna look at each other's watches. Joey, are you hurting?
I'm hurting.
You're hurting?
My shoulder's hurting for some reason. What's up?
All right, so now you're gonna put the buckets back here and go straight forward, up. Don't go like this. Just straight up.
Just
It's time for
Yeah,
the
up
phone.
and down. 15. Yeah, behind you. 15.
Are they like this?
Yeah, like this. You could, however, like this. Not like this. Yeah, behind you, and just go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 different lifestyles. What burns more calories? All right. So now, going back to shrugs. No, shoulders. Yeah. 1. Yeah. 2. Hey, but keep the gallon straight. Don't flare them up. Straight up. Yeah. How are we looking, Joey?
Bro, I don't know why, but this is like the heaviest I've ever felt the foam cannon.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, do you feel this? Thought I'd cool you down. You got white stuff all over you now.
He's a cheater!
All right, now you're gonna lunge with these. Cheaters! You're gonna lunge with these.
Lunge with these?
Yeah. 10.
Oh wait, look at this.
Oh. Okay, see that? Let's switch.
Boom, bam,
So,
boom, bam.
Joey's gonna be doing the 2 bucket method. He's inserting his dirt trap into his bucket, wash and rinse. How's the time looking? 15. So they have 8 minutes to finish up. So we're halfway.
Thank God.
You're breaking a sweat.
Yeah, I am. 9, I feel my first sweat dripping down my head. 9,
He's dripping.
10. Woo!
Ready?
All right.
Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
10-second break?
No.
10 seconds
So-
break.
So here we go.
Yeah.
Ready? We're gonna do 10 push-ups. I'll do them with you. 10
Okay.
push-ups. We're gonna come back to shoulders, go like this. Then you're gonna grab the buckets and go like this. All right?
10 push-ups, 10 of these, and 10 curls.
Yeah. Ready?
Woo!
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, come up. You grab this. Shoulders.
How did I sign up for this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Whoo, snap, yo, this is hard.
6,
So,
7, 8,
why he subtracted 1?
9, 10. All right, so now, instead of doing the 35 pounders, you're gonna do these.
Okay.
All right.
Give me a break right here.
So, straight up. These are 8 pounders together at the same time.
That didn't go as planned.
Huh?
I'm hyped right now.
All right,
I'm
yeah,
trying
you
to
know
burn
what?
more calories.
That guy over there,
What?
the director of the shoot, you're gonna hold one up the whole time, and you're gonna do 10 on that, and then you're gonna switch.
Oh my God, okay.
You're gonna break him.
1,
Look at him.
2. Bruised, not broken. Are you him? Are you him?
I'm him.
You're him?
I'm him.
All right, let's go.
It actually works.
He's onto something. He could actually detail and work out with the same products you're detailing. Gallons. Exercises. Look, how you feeling today?
It's burning. This actually works.
All
and it feels like Joey's playing in a water park.
Here's a water park.
Okay.
I'm sweating over
Hey,
here.
your shoulders again. 5 minutes left, guys. 5 minutes. Joey still needs to dry the car. Joey still needs to pick everything up. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is all you need. What burns more calories?
How many calories you at?
No, 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 no. You can't tell. Don't tell him. All right.
10.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna do lunges again. 1, 2. HIIT training. What do you want? 3, 4. Like that. Come on.
10 on each leg.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're halfway. 10. Halfway. You need 10 more. All right, so now, imagine this is a kettlebell.
Oh my God. Hey, I kind of wish.
10, 2,
That man is hurting. Look at him.
3, 4.
My abs are hurting.
Oh.
12 minutes. 12? Yeah.
It's all good. I got the Megalodon.
Okay.
I'll be done in 2.
You ready?
Keep giving them to me. Let's go.
8 pounders. Or you want to do the 35?
Like this?
Yeah.
That?
So nice straight back, so you're not, yeah. Basically like the rope on the rope. Yeah.
Joey, your car's looking good. Your workout's looking even better. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I got this guy beating calories. My heart's hurting. Might not be that good. Huh?
He drank coffee. That's why his heart's hurting.
I haven't drank coffee in 3 weeks,
All right.
my guy.
To finish off the workout, because how much more time we got?
This is the Megalodon. This thing has a thirst
All right.
for water.
So then, just to finish it off, shoulders.
That's what I do, baby.
Hey, you got like 2 minutes left.
That's all good.
Yeah, so right now what Joey's using the Megalodon. Let me borrow this towel real quick. This
Hey.
Megalodon soaks up so much water, just how the Megalodon used to in the ocean. Is it still around? Is it extinct? I don't know. But this towel soaks up so much water. It has twisted loop technology that's going to soak up everything. It actually holds over a gallon of water. Your car is not ceramic coated, your car is ceramic coated, your car is not protected. This soaks up everything. How you looking, Claudio?
Woo! I got a little sweat on my nose.
No.
Do this. Sweating.
All right, you're gonna hold in the middle? Hold in the middle. I'm gonna pull down on it. You're gonna do
What am I doing?
biceps. You pull up. 1, 2, 3. 1,
Should I sideways?
2, 10, 3.
What weight is this on?
Time, Joey?
Going back
1 minute, 1 minute, come on.
9. Sorry for the grunt. 10.
It's okay.
He's a grunter. He's a grunter.
All right, you can cool down.
Woo!
You can cool down.
1 minute cool down.
Want to do light jog in place? Or? All right,
Like, yeah, like,
light
My
jog.
legs are actually weak.
Whoa.
He needs some milk.
Higher. Look.
Anyway, it says 15:07 on my watch.
We're done. Cut. Time. How many calories do you have?
All right, I'm pausing mine.
Pause it.
I have
Hold on, I'll see.
161. How much you got?
I got 174.
Oh, if I'm looking at that, I'm at 192.
Focus.
174. That's total.
174.
Yeah, 174 total calories, 149 active calories.
What's your
192.
161 active, 192.
What's his heart rate at? Mine was 146.
He had 192. He had 174. There you guys have it. And there's no excuses to skip out on washing your car or detailing because we did this only in 15 minutes. The camera was rolling, 15 minutes was on the clock, and we achieved these results. You basically get 2 out of 1. You burn calories, and you also have a clean car in 15 minutes. On the other hand, he just worked out and burned out.
It looks like he's dying.
Burn calories, that's it.
He just burned calories. So the choice is yours. As always, if you guys would like to pick up any of our products, pick it up at chemicalguys.com. Drive down to your local detail garage, and we will see you guys next time. All right, time for running. He ran off.